Welcome everyone, here is how you take a screenshot in iPhone 14. I will also cover a method to take a screenshot by double tapping the back of the iPhone as well. So the first way is you're going to find the power button here and the volume up button. We're going to click and release both the power and volume up key together. So get your iPhone 14, let's do this together. So pause the video. Once you have your iPhone 14, we're going to start in 3, 2, 1, click release, and as long as you added enough pressure on the power button and the volume up key, and you pressed both at the same time, the screenshot should be taken. So if I do this again, click release, you can see the screenshot is taken. You will also see a preview of the screenshot. This will go away after a couple of seconds, but you can also slide it to the left to quickly dismiss the screenshot. You can also tap on the screenshot preview in order to edit the screenshot if you would like to as well. Now, how do we take a screenshot? By double tapping the back of the iPhone 14. What we do is we set up the device. You do this by opening up the Settings app, navigate to the home page of Settings. You're then going to see Accessibility, tap on this one. From here, you're going to see Touch, tap on Touch. Now you're going to scroll to the very bottom and you're going to see Back Tap. Double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone to perform actions quickly. Tap into Back Tap, and now we have double tap and triple tap. So let's tap on the double tap option here. And we just want to scroll down till we see Screenshot. Tap on this, and now Screenshot via back tap is enabled. So in order to do this, get your index finger, and you just want to double tap where the Apple logo is. You can do other areas of the phone, but for the best success, use the Apple logo. So I'm going to double tap, 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 and you can see it's going to take a screenshot. I'm going to do that again, tap, tap. You can see it takes the screenshot. I'm going to tap a little bit higher on the phone. Let's see if this works. That time it did work. However, for the best success, just tap right where the Apple logo is located. You may notice that the screenshots may be taken by accident, mainly because the back tap is quite sensitive. So if you ever want to turn off back tap in the future, open up the double tap area of settings. You can see screenshot is selected. Just go to the top, tap on none, and now when I double tap the back of the iPhone 14, it will not take a screenshot anymore. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.